Supercharge Your Writing, Mastering Transitions and Connectors. Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to dive into an essential part of English writing, the art of using transitions and connectors. The connectors, also known as linking words or transition words, serve as bridges between your ideas, helping your readers to follow your thoughts smoothly and logically. Choosing the right connector is like choosing the right tool for the job. It can make your writing clear, cohesive, and compelling. Transitions and connectors are words or phrases that are used to connect ideas in your writing. They can join two sentences, two paragraphs, or even two parts of the same sentence. Connectors give your writing a natural flow and coherence by showing the relationship between your ideas. They could express contrast, but, however, on the other hand, addition, also, furthermore, in addition, sequence, first, second, then, finally, and many more relationships. Choosing the right connector can seem tricky at first. Here are a few tips. Consider the relationship between the ideas you are connecting. Are you adding an additional point, contrasting a previous point, showing cause and effect, or sequencing your ideas? Each of these relationships might require a different set of connectors. Avoid overuse. It's important to strike a balance in the use of connectors. Using too many can make your writing seem overcomplicated and difficult to follow. Practice. This is perhaps the most essential tip. The more you write and read, the better you will become at naturally incorporating appropriate connectors into your writing. Let's look at some examples of connectors in use. 1. Addition. I love reading. Furthermore, I enjoy writing short stories. 2. Contrast. John enjoys playing basketball. However, he doesn't like to watch it on TV. 3. Cause and effect. It rained heavily. As a result, the match was postponed. 4. Sequencing. I woke up. Then, I brushed my teeth. After that, I took a shower. Finally, I had breakfast. Remember, the key is to use the connectors that best express the relationship between the ideas you're connecting. And there we have it, dear learners. Now you know how essential transitions and connectors are to smooth, logical, and compelling writing. Remember to choose your connectors wisely, based on the relationships of the ideas you're trying to connect, and to use them sparingly for clarity. Keep practicing, and soon choosing the right connectors will become second nature. We hope this lesson was helpful, and we look forward to helping you continue to develop your English skills in future lessons. Until next time, happy writing!